to everyone tuning into my channel. I am finally done with my Thanksgiving / fall folio. Like I've mentioned in a few previous videos, this is my favorite season, and I finally decided to make myself a little treat for fall, and this is what I've come up with. And yes, it's the day before Thanksgiving. Hopefully this will be posted the day before Thanksgiving. It is actually the day before Thanksgiving. And I am finally just now wrapping this up and being able to show it to y'all. It's the end of the semester for me, and I have been busy. Oh my goodness, just so busy, and haven't been able to work on things like I normally like to do. So let's get started. All right, so I made this boho dangle because I love boho. I love dangles. I love bling bling. This is actually a button, y'all. A button. I thought it was so pretty. And I put this pretty paper in the middle of this cabochon. How do you say? See, I never know. I've heard it a million times, but can never remember if that's how you actually say it. And made it like a little dangle, like a little keychain of sorts. All right. Got it tied together with some sari silk. You know, I really, oops, excuse me, hit the camera. Don't know if it needs to even be tied together. It's just kind of, it doesn't lay flat, but it's not, you know. I didn't make this a journal because I know I'll never write in it. I just made it a bunch of really pretty goodies. All right, so let's look at this page first. My favorite lace here. Got some lace over here. How cute is that? Cute little print. I will put a link down in my description of where I got my prints. So there's a bunch of different ones, and I will add all of them down there. I made this little envelope, and it's even got a tiny little glittery blingy corn in there. I thought that was adorable. Lace over here, a little blingy pumpkin, a little ticket. Let's see what we got in here. A cute, oh look. May your Thanksgiving day be long filled with gladness and with song. And the little boy is riding that humongous turkey. Cute, cute, cute. Got some lace back here. Parchment, a little bit of burlap here. Anyway, I think that's just adorable. And I'll put these back later so we're not forever on the video. All right, let's move over here to this first page. This is detachable, but I'm not taking it off right now because I have a tag held on. But I showed this to y'all in my other video, the one previous to this one, if y'all remember. Oh, yeah, let me show y'all this. I almost forgot. So, y'all, if y'all saw my previous video, y'all saw me do this page. Y'all saw me put this page together. But I had not added this little cluster here. When I was done and I got to looking at it, I was like, it's just missing something. It's missing a little something. So, this was added. Okay. But this stayed the same. So, here's a snippet that I made. A bunch of different pretties. Held on by a little clip that I made here. And up underneath is some collaging and some lace. Okay, and I guess we'll move over here since I flipped this open. And, you know, like I said, this comes off. So we're going to take that boho dangle off. And I showed y'all this tag. I showed y'all all my big tags in the previous video. But if you didn't see it, there we go. I just love that sari silk here. Gorgeous. Look at the ombre colors. Oh no, my little thing fell out. It's supposed to be there. And it says, let us give thanks today for all the beauty and the good in the world. And that's a little, gets tucked right over there. This card, this print here was actually the inspiration for this whole entire folio. I saw this, I was on the computer one day, I don't remember what I was browsing, but I saw this and I was like, oh my goodness. I love it. I've got to do something. And here we go. Down here, I've done a little area of just a bunch of little cuteness with a little pocket for that to go in. Just a little, call it a pocket. I don't know what we should call it. But anyway, there we go. Got a pocket up here. And behind that, I think that's just adorable, some collaging. Okay, let's go over here. And I'm going to remove that clip now. Give y'all a better look at that, in case you didn't see my last video. And a cute little turkey tag. Isn't he adorable? Blinged up the flower, a bunch of tucks, lace, dangles. And here's another snippet made by Rock, Paper, Scissors Junkie on Instagram. I did add the little antique buttons here. I just thought that those, I like it. Okay. So I've got a little turkey pocket here. And I added some more turkeys. Little pull there. Actually, that's part of a doily. This says, Thanksgiving Day. By glad Thanksgiving, gathering in the scattered sheaves of home and kin. And a lady doing a harvest. I thought that was really pretty. So I've got a glassine bag here, made a little tuck here, a pocket here. So I've got pocket, tuck, pocket, and then behind here I made that a pocket. All right, moving to the middle. Possibly my favorite tag. I don't know. I love all the tags, but again, that print had me squeeing. It really, really did. And I just love this tag. And again, a little snippet that's made by Rock, Paper, Scissors Junkie. Little dangle there. And here, I've got the CD holder that I've embellished. I've got a print in there. And behind it, I've made this a pocket. This print a pocket. And I've got some pretty little prints here. I really love the colors in that one. A little bookmark. I've done some collaging all back here, and I've got this doily here. I just really like the look of it. Down here at the bottom, I do want to show y'all that. I've got a bunch of beautiful laces, dangles, little bunch of different textured yarns here, and just a bunch of different tucks, and I really, really like that. Some really cute little paper that I made a tuck out of, and put these prints in. Guys, that is all for today. If you are waiting for a thought of the day, I apologize. I've got so much to do. Like I said, it's the end of the semester. I didn't even know if I was going to be able to do this much, so please just be patient, hang in there. I will have one next time. I hope that y'all have a happy Thanksgiving, and I will see y'all later.